If you've got a digital product and you're struggling to make sales, this very quick hack could literally blow your sales up. Now, it's a free tool that shows you how to fix one of the most overlooked but important things, which is your sales page. Some people often call this a landing page. It's the same thing though. It's simply the page where people come to buy your product. If you don't get this right, people won't buy no matter how great your product is or no matter how much you are marketing. This free tool is called Microsoft Clarity and it connects directly to Claude. It shows you exactly what's happening on your sales page, how long people stay, what they're looking at, the moment they either click buy or leave without doing anything, right? And it gives you a screen recording so you can watch what people do on that page with your own eyes. You can then ask Claude about it so you both together can come up with a plan of action, right? I absolutely love this tool. It's so powerful. This is not a sponsored video. Let me show you how to get it installed. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is come on to clarity.microsoft.com and then you're going to click sign up. It's really easy to do. I like to sign up with a Google account. So once you've signed in, all you need to do is create a project. So you're going to click my projects. You can see I've got 3 projects in here. I've just started using it. I absolutely love it. But you're going to click new project and then you're just going to give it a name. So let's, for example, put test. You're going to put the website URL. I'm going to put test.com for now. And then you're going to select your industry. I always just click other. Then I click add new project. Now it's going to give me the options to install it. You can install it on a third-party platform. This is good if you have Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress. You can install it with a tracking code. I'm going to show you how to do this today, and I don't know how to use this at all, okay? So we're going to install it with a tracking code. You can click this, it's going to give you a code, and then you can copy it to your clipboard. Okay, so this is where you install the code. Now, I use FG Funnels, which is a white label version of Go High Level. I just highly recommend Go High Level. This is like legitly what I use. You can see it here. So first of all, you're going to come into your site page, the back end, then you're going to click settings, and then here you can see all the codes, right? So I've got my Google tag, and I've also got some other tracking tags that I have. Now you can put the Microsoft Clarity tag in here. Now, if you're using any other tool, you just put it in the back end, wherever it allows you to put tracking, put it there, and then you're going to click save, and that is it. You have got Microsoft on your page. But how do you connect this with Claude so you can actually have conversations with Claude about your landing page? So the first thing you're going to do is open your Claude account, your Claude desktop app. And so you're going to open Claude. You can do this in Claude Cowork, or you can do it in Claude Code. It also works in the normal chat as well. So the first thing you're going to do is click customize. You're going to click on connectors, and then you're going to click plus. You're going to click browse connectors, and then you're here going to search for Microsoft Clarity. Now, I've already got mine installed, which is why it says uninstalled, but you will just click install and then you will sign in. And so now you've connected Microsoft Clarity to Claude. And so let me show you what it looks like. So I can say something like, hi Claude, use my Microsoft Clarity connector to give me insights about my landing page. And so now you can see that Claude is pulling my data. It's using the connector tool. Okay, and so Claude has come back to us with some data. And so literally, I have just installed this, but it's telling me, okay, how many people did I have come to my page? You guys know it needs to be 100 people if you want sales every single day. Telling me how I'm behaving on the page, telling me what I need to do, is giving me recommendations. Guys, I love this. Fix your sales page. If your sales page is great, you are doing your marketing, you will make sales every single day. If you get 100 people to your sales page and you have this hack, oh my God, it's a game changer. Let me know if you try this. The next video you should watch should be traffic. You need traffic to your page. You need people coming to your page so you can get these insights. Watch this video next and I'll see you there.